So I also wanted to mention that these fan blades, they're like in pairs, and they have nice big gaps between some of them like this. That's the one you want to line so you could get your wrench in there. And get that pulley on. By the way, finger tighten, with your thumb and index finger, and make sure that that pulley goes onto the actual the lip of that T50 bolt before you tighten all the way, because you'll pinch it and it won't be aligned. That would be bad. You could destroy your pulley that way. But now that that's installed, it's not spinning freely like the other one. It's got that grease resistance, so I'm feeling better about that. And this one isn't original because it's got that cap, and it's spinning all right. I mean, it's got resistance. I don't know if I should replace it. It's gonna get cold real quick. It's gonna 6 inches of snow. It's gonna drop to 30 degrees, so I think I'm gonna call it a night. Next, we're gonna put the belt on. Old belt is over here. Hopefully the new belt is about the same size. I noticed Rock Auto had a couple permutations in terms of model. That looks good to me. So, what about thickness? They've got different thicknesses, I've noticed too. I believe that's identical. Yeah, that's good. So